everyone! Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, where we help you transform your outdoor spaces into personal paradises. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. A flower garden planter is essentially a portable, self-contained vessel designed specifically to house and showcase ornamental plants and flowers. Unlike traditional in-ground gardening, a planter acts as a defined stage for your greenery, allowing you to control the soil quality, moisture levels, and placement with precision. These containers come in various forms, from classic terracotta pots and sleek modern troughs to whimsical repurposed items, and serve as both a functional home for roots and a decorative element that bridges the gap between architecture and nature. In essence, it is the art of bringing a manageable piece of the garden onto your patio, balcony, or doorstep. The benefits of incorporating flower garden planters into your home are numerous, starting with the incredible flexibility they offer. For those with limited space, such as apartment dwellers or those with paved backyards, planters make gardening possible where it otherwise wouldn't be. They also provide a healthier environment for your plants because you can tailor the potting mix to specific needs and easily move the containers to follow the sun or protect them from harsh weather. Additionally, planters act as a natural barrier against soil-borne pests and weeds, making maintenance much easier on your back and your schedule. Beyond the practicalities, they offer an instant pop of color and texture that can be swapped out seasonally to keep your home's curb appeal fresh and vibrant all year long. To make your flower garden planter look truly professional, you should follow the thriller, filler, and spiller design rule. Start by choosing a thriller, a tall, eye-catching plant like a fountain grass or a bold canna lily, to serve as the focal point in the center. Surround it with fillers, which are mounded plants like petunias or geraniums that add bulk and color density. Finally, add spillers, such as trailing ivy or creeping jenny, that cascade over the edges to soften the lines of the container. Don't be afraid to play with color theory. Using complementary colors like purple and yellow can create high energy, while monochromatic shades of pink and white offer a serene, elegant look. Adding decorative touches like a layer of polished river stones on the soil surface or integrated LED fairy lights can provide that final polished glow for evening enjoyment. Selecting the right material for your planter is a balance between aesthetics and the needs of your plants. Terracotta and clay are timeless favorites because their porous nature allows the soil to breathe, though they do dry out faster and can crack in freezing temperatures. For a more modern and durable option, concrete or stone planters offer incredible stability and a high-end look, perfect for large shrubs or trees, though they are quite heavy to move. If you prefer something lightweight and versatile, high-quality plastics and resins can mimic the look of stone or wood while being easy to reposition. Wood, particularly cedar or redwood, provides a warm, organic feel and naturally resists rot, making it ideal for window boxes and raised troughs. Lastly, metal containers like galvanized steel or weathered corten steel provide a chic, industrial edge, but be mindful that they can heat up quickly in direct afternoon sun. Now, let's dive into some practical and inspiring garden design ideas that you can implement in your own space. Here these the collection of the top 10 best flower garden planter ideas to spark your creativity. One, architectural succulent pillars. This design features a series of tall, rectangular wooden pedestals finished in a rich dark stain. The height creates a dramatic, tiered effect on a sandy or gravel ground. Each planter is topped with a diverse arrangement of succulents, including striking dark echeveria and vibrant orange sticks on fire, with trailing sedum donkey tail, spilling elegantly down the sides. 2. The classic summer window box. A beautiful example of how to frame a view. This soft blue window box is mounted against shingle siding. It is packed with a lush variety of textures, featuring delicate pink gaura reaching upward, dark night sky petunias for depth, and bright chartreuse creeping Jenny trailing downward to create a vibrant contrast against the gray shutters. 3. Modern minimalist concrete troughs. For those who love clean lines, these stone-textured square planters are arranged in a staggered group. The neutral gray of the concrete allows the simple white and red petunias to stand out without distraction. This look is perfect for contemporary entryways or lining a clean white concrete walkway. 4. Vibrant hanging basket medley. These clean white hanging pots bring the garden to eye level. Filled with a dense mix of purple, yellow, and red calibrachoa or million bells, they create a floating cloud of color. The use of multiple baskets in a row adds a sense of rhythm and abundance to a porch or balcony overhang. 5. The modern elevated balcony trough. This sleek white rectangular planter is elevated on black metal legs, making it perfect for modern balconies. It features a cheerful spring display of bright yellow daffodils and fragrant white hyacinths. The elevated design not only looks stylish, but also makes tending to the flowers much easier without bending down. 6. Cedar railing box with soft pastel tones. Designed to sit perfectly atop a white porch railing, this natural lightwood planter box brings life to a transition space. It is filled with soft pink vinca flowers and silver-leaf dusty miller, creating a sophisticated and airy color palette that complements the clean white architecture of the home. 7. Vertical tiered wall planters. Maximize your vertical space with this living wall concept. Multiple wooden trough planters are angled and mounted directly onto a stone or concrete wall. This setup is perfect for narrow side yards or alleys, filled here with a repetitive pattern of pink and white blossoms that turn a plain wall into a floral tapestry. 8. The cozy patio lounge arrangement. This setup uses large two-tone ceramic pots in shades of white and earthy gray to anchor a seating area. The planters hold a mix of tall black-eyed Susans, feathery ferns, and dark purple heuchera. Placing these right next to an outdoor sofa blends the comfort of the indoors with the beauty of the outdoors. 9. Colorful pop art garden path. Brighten up a stone walkway with a collection of bold, neon-colored plastic pots. These pink, yellow, and purple containers are filled with matching daisies and marigolds, creating a fun, high-energy atmosphere. This is an affordable and easy way to add a playful touch to a traditional cobblestone area. 10. Textural window basket with grasses. A different take on the window box, this dark wire basket uses a natural cocoa fiber liner for an organic look. It features a tall ornamental grass in the center for height, flanked by vibrant purple verbena and bright yellow star flowers. The trailing lime green foliage ensures the display looks full and established. Creating a beautiful outdoor space doesn't require a massive backyard or a professional landscaping crew. As we've seen today, the right flower garden planter can serve as a focal point, a splash of color, or a clever solution for small space living. By choosing the right materials and following a few simple design principles, you can build a container garden that reflects your personal style and brings a sense of peace and beauty to your daily life. Whether you prefer the rustic charm of wood or the sleek lines of modern concrete, there is a planter out there waiting to transform your home. If you found these garden ideas inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more weekly tips on elevating your outdoor living space. We'd love to hear from you. Which of the top 10 ideas was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a chance to make your garden grow more beautifully. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.